Hello creatives, you're welcome to our channel again. This day, morning, afternoon, depending on where you are, we want to make this beautiful bridesmaids fascinator. I have given it a name, that is lovely fascinator, because they were used for a lady called Loveling, so I named this fascinator after her. Now you are going to be learning it during this class. I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to be a subscriber. For those that are returning, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I would like you to also share the content with your friends, like and pass comments, ask questions, and I'll be right there to answer them. Let's get into the tutorial. You are going to be needing a stretchy material, band, and nets. Lots of boning, like 4 yards for one piece. What are you to do? By now you should know how to wrap your Alice band. Having wrapped your Alice band, put your elastic at the back of it and all whatnot. Place it on your mannequin, and then in wrapping this boning, the boning lengths are not the same. I'm going to write out the length of the bones on the screen. You need six pieces of boning. In wrapping mine, I cut out 1.5 inch of fabric. I used the Duchess material because it's stretching, and I used a quarter to sew. Then I turned it inside out, and then I now began to push in my boning into the sewn pipe. For each of the boning, you will cut the same equal length of fabric. You have 6 boning, 26, 22, 20, 2 pieces of 13, and 1 piece of 10. Having them around the fabric, having wrapped the boning the way I described earlier, you are going to group this boning into 2. The first group has the length 26, 20, and 1 13. 26, 20, and 13. Arrange them as you can see me do in this video. Use your hot glue gun to gum them together on each side. Watch carefully, you will understand what I'm trying to describe. Now I would like to invite you again to subscribe to this channel. This is one channel that we, from time to time upload videos on DIY and all manner of fashion crafts that can help you to stand out, to earn a living, to save money, and all whatnot. So now you have a group of 3 bones. You can be flexible. You can make yours 4, 5, as many that you want. But for this project, we use 6 pieces of bone, and I use the plastic boning, not the regular boning. So having gummed the 3 together, use your peg to put them in place. Then take the other 3 pieces that make the second group of boning. In this second group, you will need length 22, length 13, and length 10. 22, 13, and 10. Just the same way you did the first one. Gum the 3 bones together on the left and on the right. Use your peg to keep them in place. Make sure that your glue is well melted and your gun is very hot before you start to use it. So the first group, the first one we gum together, we are going to make one side to sit on the other, overlap, form a ring with the 3 bows, as you can see me do here. Having formed a ring, get a piece of the same fabric, 1.5 inch wide. With your iron, fold it as if you're folding a bias strip, the normal bias strip, and then use it to join the 3 rings that you're making into a circle. Let the wrapping be neat. Let the wrapping be neat from a distance of like 3 inches around the place where you formed the ring. That is what I'm doing there, covering the joining and further making it to be firm together with a piece of fabric. You can see how it came out to be. The second group, you are not going to make a ring with this one. This time around, you make the 3 rings to face each other. You can see the way it's showing on the screen. You're not making a ring, you are making like an oval. Then same method, use the fabric to join, to wrap the place of the joining, just as you can see me doing in this video. Use your hot glue to gum that together. Now you go to your mannequin where you have worn your Alice band and secure the spot on your Alice band where you are going to be adding this, where you are going to be gumming this accessory. For me, I normally go 2 inches away from the center. Arrange the rings the way you want them to come out before you use the gum. I'm trying to make a shape, a love shape. I haven't decided on my shape. Placing it on the dummy head, I will now use my hot glue to join the one group of ring to the second one. Remember that I wrapped my rings with fabric, so I'm going to do the joining on the fabric, not on the boning. So I will join them together to take the shape I really desire. You can see that the fascinator is coming up. It's taking shape gradually. Subscribe to our channel, lovely people. As you subscribe, the algorithm will begin to push our content to the right audience. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment on this particular video. Now that you have joined the 2 together, you're not going to leave that place exposed. And of course, you can't depend on only the gum. You need to further stiffen your rings to the Alice band. You want to enforce it. You want to make sure that it doesn't fall off the client's head. So you are going to be using trimming, gold trimming I used here, to wrap the rings around your Alice band. Take your face net. This is like half of a yard of face net. Make a bow with the face net. Normally you should know how to make a bow by now. I haven't made a bow with the face net. Use your needle and thread to tack it. Use your needle and thread to tack the face net, as you can see me doing in this video. Then place the nets at the corner of your rings. Place the net at the corners of your rings, to still use the same fabric bias to fix and to tie your net to the Alice band. Peradventure, as you were walking, you had some stains on the rings. Take a methylated spirit or nail cortex remover, then pour it on a little fabric and use it to remove all stains. You can see the Fascinator is out. So lovely. Can you see the shape? Love shape. Beautiful. And that is the end of the tutorial.